up in the greenhouse. Ball it up, I'm with the gang. We taking shots off the rebound.
Hi everyone, today we are trying something which is very keen in like desi households, a buffet, desi buffet. बहुत अरसे पहले when I moved to Canada यहाँ पे Mississauga में एक buffet place थी Continental. When I went start going there first बहुत अच्छा होता था, फिर इतना खास नहीं रहा. Like मैंने even like for अपने पहले बेटे का कीका and everything I did it there, and it's a big place, like can hold multiple events, and management was not looking after it properly. पर recently अभी एक नई मैनेजमेंट ने टेक ओवर किया और वो उसका नाम विलेज टेस्ट हो गया है अब. और लास्ट टाइम आई वेंट इट वाज सुपर गुड. सो आज फैमिली ने डिसाइड किया है कि दे वांट टू डू अ बुफे. सो आज वहाँ जाएंगे, ट्राई करेंगे. प्राइसिंग से लेके इंटीरियर से लेके बहुत अच्छा बना हुआ है. इट्स अ काइंड ऑफ अ विलेज जो आपका पूरा विलेज सेटअप पे बना हुआ है, और उन्होंने बहुत लिमिटेड मेन्यू करके और बहुत कंट्रोल करके लास्ट टाइम इट वाज परफेक्ट. आज वीकेंड है, पिछली दफ़ा वीकेंड पे नहीं ट्राई किया था, तो लेट्स सी कि वीकेंड पे कैसा कंट्रोल कर रहे हैं और टेस्ट अभी तक वैसा है या नहीं. इट्स बीन कपल ऑफ मंथ्स लास्ट टाइम व्हेन आई वेंट. तो वहाँ चलते हैं, ट्राई करते हैं, फूड चेक करते हैं और आप लोग को बताते हैं और दिखाते हैं लाइक व्हाट्स द फूड सीन देयर. Hello guys, like it was a very cool drive. रात को इतना रश नहीं है and its weather is bad, पर हम लोग काफ़ी जल्दी यहाँ पहुँच गए हैं. अब अंदर चलते हैं और सीन देखते हैं कितनी वेटिंग है. एक दूल्हे की भी गाड़ी देखी, तो आई गेस देयर इज़ वन वेडिंग हैपनिंग. एज आई टोल्ड यू, बड़ा वेन्यू है, मल्टीपल हॉल्स हैं, तो शादियाँ भी होती हैं इधर. तो लेट्स सी इनसाइड कितनी देर की वेटिंग है और क्या सीन है. dig in. सबसे पहले हम ट्राई करेंगे कीमा. Show you. Really good. Fries. Obviously बच्चे वही fries, ice cream and roti. Keema is pretty good. गोश्त भी बहुत अच्छा है. It's really good gosh. Next I'm gonna try is veal korma. Veal korma ठीक है. इससे अच्छे कोरमा मैंने खाए हैं. So veal korma is okay. I'm not gonna suggest that, but keema was super good. Next I'm gonna give it a try to chicken kadai. So good. चिकन कढ़ाई बहुत अच्छी बनी है. यूजली कढ़ाई पुल ऑफ करना आसान होता है, कोरमा या हर किसी के बस की बात नहीं है, तो कढ़ाई बहुत अच्छी बनी है. लास्ट हमारी जो मेन कोर्सेज में था, जो मैंने रोटी के साथ के आइटम लिए, अभी चावल मैंने ट्राई नहीं किया. द नेक्स्ट वन इज़ पालक गोश्त. अगेन पालक गोश्त भी कोरमे की तरह है, हर कोई पुल ऑफ नहीं कर सकता, पर ट्राई करते हैं. पालक गोश्त बहुत अच्छा है. पालक गोश्त इज वन ऑफ द बेस्ट थिंग ऑन माई प्लेट राइट नाउ. You try palak gosh? It's so good. Huh? Already on dessert? So the next item I'm gonna try is the fried fish, which is really like famous here. बहुत सारे लोग भर रहे थे, तो let's try this. One point. Fish is good. Good fried. Very good. So good, sir. The kebab. Next thing we're gonna try is chicken kebab. Look at this. I'm trying this without the roti, so I can get actual flavors. You need more? But you need to finish your food first. Then I'm gonna get you more ice cream, okay? Chicken kebab is so juicy. Good time ka masala marination hua hua. And the last one is like on the barbecue item is chicken, tandoori chicken. It's coming off the bone, look. Coming off the bone. Tino barbecue item is so good. Everything is chicken though. I don't know value of the money. Beef महंगा है, mutton महंगा है. Mutton I get it, but all तीन के तीन items सारी barbecue के chicken के. Only thing which is like a bit on higher price is fish. So I would really like कि अगर एक कोई beef का item होता है या mutton का. There were also different kind of starters, samosa and roll. So I only picked up the roll because I don't want to fill up myself with them. Very good spring roll. Up till now, सारे सालन अच्छे थे except beef korma, chicken kadai, keema, palak gosht. And then in the next one we're gonna be trying some rice. So let's give it a go. Let's dig in. I wanna try a mixed veg first. I'm not a fan of bhindi until it's just like fry a bit aloo, but let's try. It is so good. That got that crunch, like it's so fresh. I have to tell you, like everything is so fresh. सब इन्होंने बहुत अच्छे से बनाया. And the last one is kali dal. Curry ke liye I'm not using the roti. Like I always like eat it with it itself. Pakoda and then the sauce. बहुत अच्छी कड़ी है, बहुत अच्छी। जो दही और खटास जो है ऑन पॉइंट है, ज़्यादा नहीं है, और पकोड़ा भी बहुत अच्छा था। आई एम लविंग एवरीथिंग अप टिल नाउ। Just I'm so full, तो अब लास्ट राउंड में मिलते हैं, which would be dessert with the biryani. Obviously I said like a desi buffet. You're not gonna try it. Like look at the chawal. It's very khade and masala also looks like so. For a chicken biryani, it's okay. It's nothing like as usual, but a good biryani, like a good biryani, not like something. Obviously buffet ke hisab se it's very good. No, I'm keep eating it again. This means like the buffet is really good. Very good flavors. So this was the only thing left for me to eat on the main courses. I'm gonna start with this Gulab Jamun. Look at this. It's a homemade, like really good, and it's all in the sheera. So it's really good and it's hot. Oh my god, it's legit so good. Oh, I can tell you like there's a separate stomach for dessert. This is so good. Just finished it. Oh my god. One down. So next I'm gonna be trying gajar ka halwa, staple winter one. So look at this. With the khoa and gajar all. Really good. Next, khoa is the perfect gajar sweetness, and it's not that sweet, so that's the best part. All the desserts are so on point up till now. It's so good. There's also meetha chawal, which I don't know, like I don't like it. Also I have had my rice, so let me give one more shot. This gajar ka halwa is so warm. I don't know. So good. Next, we're gonna be trying chane ka halwa. Look at this. It's very good. I heard a really good feedback from the family, so let's give it a go. Oh, really good. Not at all sugary. So good. Oh my god. So good. Look at the texture. And it's, everything is piping hot, like piping hot. Coming onto the cold desserts. So it's like the pudding. And I got this pudding with the jelly. So look at this. So good. The rabdi kheer. That's the best one. I remember this from the last time. And also Gulab Jamun from the last time, but this is the best one. Oh my god. So good, does it? We finished. Look, we're making gajar ka halwa. It's so good. It's a good dessert. Everything is so on point. Look at the custard. Best buffet right now in GTA. Really good value for the money if you're trying to come with your family. You don't know what other people like to eat. You don't want to make that choice like someone would like Chinese or like desi other places, but then this is the best place. Like you can come in, have a good family time. It's a very big hall, very spacious. Ambiance is so sick. It's everything is like village. So please like my video, subscribe, share and comment. And until next time,
To make me a safe house, shake it up, shake it up. She got her hands on her knees and she bringing the cake out. Smoke it up, I got